In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch organization in GoodDay. If you work with multiple teams or clients in GoodDay, knowing how to quickly move between organizations will save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of switching organizations, and I'll also share a few tips along the way so you understand what's happening on screen and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your GoodDay account and that you're on any main page, such as your My Work board or dashboard. The option to switch organizations is always available as long as you're signed in, so you don't need to be on a specific project or view for this to work. To begin, look toward the lower left corner of your GoodDay interface. There, you'll see your profile area. This usually shows your profile picture or initials, along with your name or account information. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This is the main entry point for personal settings and account-related options, including organization switching. Once you click the profile icon, a small menu or panel will appear. In this panel, look for the option labeled Switch Organization. This is specifically designed for users who belong to more than one organization, such as different departments, separate companies, or client workspaces. Click on Switch Organization to move to the next screen. After clicking, you'll be taken to the Organization Selection page. Here, you'll see a list of organizations that your account currently has access to. Take a moment to review the list and identify the organization you want to work in. When you're ready, simply click on the name of that organization. GoodDay will then reload your workspace so that all projects, tasks, and settings now reflect the organization you selected. If you don't see the organization you're looking for, you may have the option on this page to add a new organization. Use this when you're setting up a new company workspace or starting with a new client. Follow the on-screen prompts to create or request access to that new organization. And once it's added to your list, you'll be able to switch to it using the same process. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon, choosing Switch Organization, and selecting the right workspace, you can move smoothly between organizations in GoodDay whenever you need.